Hi Daniela, hope this finds you well. I'll take you through what we've got. I did get a little bit confused, I'll be honest. So I'll show you what I think it is you want to see, and hopefully I've got it right. So this first section, so there's 1, 2 and 3, then it gets slightly darker, 4 and 5, and then back to a bit paler for 6. These are moss agate, so it is indeed a dendritic form of the agate, but moss agate. Now, some, like this one with moss agate, there's a white background with the dendritic green pattern through it. Others, these darker two, if I lift them up, you'll see actually the background on them is almost translucent. So that's a very clear part of the agate where they've made them from. So there's 2 like that. I can't get it flat now. There we go, nearly. So all of those 6 that we're looking at there are moss agate. They come on the trace chain, which is adjustable between 18 and 20 inches. It's a stainless steel trace chain. So number 1 through to 6, all of those are £10 as a necklace, pendant and chain together. Now, you did talk about the dendritic opal, so I don't have any of the dendritic opal, so I'm going to show you what we have got. Kind of makes sense. Let's move that out of the way for a minute. So these 2 here are dendritic agate. This is often sold as dendritic opal because if it's sold as opal you can get more money for it, but when you see it like that, often it is in a white agate background. So both of those dendritic agate, they're £15 each. They're on the stainless steel snake chain, so much bigger, both of these, as you can see. Quite big chunky necklaces. So we've got those dendritic agate. That shouldn't be on there at all, so I'm going to remove that so I don't confuse you. So those are £15. Now, I did put out, just because you'd mentioned opal, these aren't dendritic, but the opal that we've got in stock is, we've got some green, some pink, and this one, which is called blue Hawaii. I think it's Hawaii. It's a form of blue opal, and because of the patterning that's on it, it almost looks a little bit dendritic. So I just thought I'd show it you because you'd mentioned opal, but I'm guessing that's not really what you're after. Those are the same as the dendritic agates. Those are £15 each, the blue opals. And then we've got a nice selection here. So this is back to £10 each. These are black banded agate. So quite often with the black banded, you can clearly see there's a white band on there, but you often find in the black banded that there'll also be a bit of a brown stripe to it as well. So these are on the trace chains because they're the £10 range. So there's a sort of quirky shape. This one, the teardrop, struggling to get that to focus for you. I'm going to just try to move a light out of the way in case, no, that's worse, isn't it? I thought the light might be causing a bit of disruption. Oh, I think you might be able to see it now. There we go. That's got a sort of zigzag stripe through the teardrop. So I know we've got a reflection, but I'll do it like this so that you can see. Then the next one is the little oval one. That's just got the banded pattern through, and then these 2 are a bit bigger, but they are the same price, still just £10, and nice banded sections in both of those. So those ones there, which have actually got the little number tags at the bottom, £10 each on a trace chain. So that's all of the pendants that would fit with what you'd asked for. I also got out, because I think you wanted to see any other black banded agate that we might have. So there's a couple of hearts. So that one, very different looking, aren't they? So that one and that one. This has got unusually it's the black banded, but it's mixed in with lemon quartz, the lemon quartz and agate together. You do sometimes get that. It's really pretty. So those are quite big, quite special hearts that we've got in the agate. And then I have got a little selection here of banded agate towers. So 19 through to 14. So what I will do is just give a little twiddle on each of those so that you see the patterning all around. So that's tower 1, that's tower 2, tower 3, which is a lot darker. It's got 3, 4, 5 sides of real dark, and then the paler on there, and tower 4. So size wise on those towers, if I just grab quickly a ruler, we'll use this will work. Right,